Hey, I'm going to walk you through generating reviews by submitting a phone campaign. Log into your account and on the left-hand side, you'll see the option Generate Reviews. Go ahead and select that option. Now you have our different campaign types in front of you: text, phone, and email campaigns. We're going to focus on the phone campaign. So select that option, and then you're presented with the ability to upload a customer list into our system so we can start making phone calls and collecting these reviews. So first thing you'll want to do is download our CSV template. It has all the information laid out there for you. So I'm going to click on this button and download that CSV file. Next, let's open that file and take a look at each of the fields. Here we have our template. Along the top, we have name, email, zip, and phone. Those are all required. So I've gone ahead and added in a bunch of test data in there. Now we have our optional fields: the sales rep name, sales rep email, and the CRM ID. You can learn more about how to utilize these optional fields in our Help Center, but we're going to focus on the required fields. Once you have that information, go ahead and save that CSV file onto your hard drive. Now we're going to pivot back to the application and upload this list. Here we are. We can either drag our CSV file into this bottom section here, or we can simply click Choose File and select that CSV file from our computer. I'm going to select this test file and then select Open. That file is now uploaded into our system. It gives you a couple of key notes here: to at least 200 customers per file and no more than 1,500. And good news for Pro subscribers, we will reach out to up to 1,500 of your customers every single month to generate reviews for you. Another note here, just know that any duplicate customers are going to be excluded from your campaign. We're now ready to go. Let's click Start Campaign to launch. And now I have our campaign performance dashboard. This lays out for me the date of my last upload, how many requests were sent, any personalized requests that were included. And now, as those reviews come in, I'll see the reviews, conversions, and the average ratings trickle in. On the far right side, I also have a status. So as our team reaches out and starts making these phone calls, you'll see that status updated. Our team actually takes those reviews and transcribes them, and will go ahead and upload those onto your profile for you, just amplifying your brand even more. That's it. You are now armed with everything you need to launch a phone campaign to generate more reviews. Good luck.